Tired of updating Jira issues one by one? Learn how to bulk edit dozens of issues in under 2 minutes. I will show you exactly how to select issues, modify fields, and confirm changes in just a few steps. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Jira account. Just go ahead and log in like you normally would. Nothing fancy here. Once you are in, you will see the main dashboard. Now, on the left side panel, you will see a list of your projects. Go ahead and click on the one you want to work with. This will take you straight into that project's view. And here is where the real work starts. Or I should say, where the tedious work stops. You will now be looking at your list of issues. Maybe it is a backlog. Maybe it is a board view. Pick the issues you want to edit. Now, you can click the checkbox next to each individual issue if you only need a handful. But here is the time saver. If you need to update everything in sight, just click that top checkbox and it will select every single issue on the page. In my experience, this is where most people get stuck. They try to do this one by one. Do not be that person. With all your issues selected, look down at the bar that appears below your list. You will see a button that says Edit Fields. Click that. Now, a side panel will slide out on the right. This is your control center. You can now modify any field you see listed there. This is the fun part. You get to decide exactly what changes you want to push across all those selected issues. You can edit things like the Assignee. So if a new person joined the team and needs to take over a batch of tasks, just pick their name from the dropdown. You can set a due date. Need all those tickets to finish by the end of the week? Pick the date here. You can add labels, change the parent issue, or update the priority level from medium to high. Whatever field you see, you can change it. Just make your selections in that right panel. Once you have made all your changes, go ahead and click the Next button. Now, this is the part where you double-check your work. Jira will show you a preview of every change you are about to make. You will see the list of issues and a summary of the fields you are updating. Take a moment to scan through this. It is a lot easier to catch a mistake here than it is to undo a bulk update later. When everything looks good, click the Confirm button. And just like that, Jira processes all those changes in the background. You might see a loading spinner for a second or two, depending on how many issues you selected. But once it is done, you will see your list refresh with all the updates applied. So instead of wasting hours opening, editing, and saving each individual issue, you just did the work of 10, 20, or even 50 edits in under 2 minutes. That is the power of bulk editing. Now you can get back to the work that actually matters.